Dang, what is that? Swim bait? What? Who? Ian? Oh, chico. He gets a hit, but he hates it. On this video, all you're gonna hear is wind. What you got there, boy? Shoot! There it goes.
Yeah.
Dang.
Very Yamamoto, Cinco.
Pretty. Birch. Yep. Got it. Trying to get you on film. And just pick it up. Yeah, baby. Nice. Swallow that. Take it. Let me see. Front of the camera.
I ran the
That thing is gone. You swallow your hook.
Yeah.
Is it in? Or is it says through his gill. Oh no, no, that was.
Like, hold on.
Your Senko's gone though?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh shit. What's up, man?
Is this all the river?
There's more.
What?
There's more. All over there.
Far from here?
Yeah.
Are we gonna go over there?
I don't know.
Dad, are we gonna go to that other river over there?
There used to be a big tree that came across.
Yeah, I tried.
You could see all the campers.
Oh, for real? Got him. Right, a boy. Nice one. Shoo!
Keep her damn boy.
Yes, sir. Can I have it? Yeah.
Throw the lure away.
It's the tips. It's a tip. Oh, what the hell is that? Yeah. Shoot. That's the best, man. Yeah. Got him. Damn it, boy. Look, you missed him.
Oh my god.
Go, just take that step right there. I got you right there. Put your rod up, right there. Got it. Watch the bob wire right there. Right there. Don't ask me how I knew that before we got there. I learned the hard way. What the fuck? Couldn't even get a bite right here. Oh, it's the biggest hole right there.
Look where you're going.
It's all deep right there. Show it to the camera if they can see that far. Yeah? Oh boy. Cool. All right, I'm still in last place. Dink. Oh shit! Nah! I landed it. It hit land. Missed it. No, no, no. Oh shit! It was right there. Same one. Otra vez. And the other ones are just softer, so like they can. This one's hard. But I didn't like wasting it. Dink. Yeah, kick your ass. Here, take this one. Babies.
Is that a smallmouth?
No, it's a large one. Got him. You suck out. Oh, perfect. Shoot. Double up right here. First. You gotta land it. Now cut your lines. Oh, this one's fighting. Did you? Hold on. This is a pretty good one here. Is there thing? Oh. This I get. Touch. That's crazy. See, I couldn't tell. It's just like weird. Yeah, but then I just saw all these like tiger stripes. Did you? Oh! Let's see that. Bam! They fight right.
Where did you catch it up?
Dink! You get smaller and smaller. Dang.
Is this a large?
Does the camera see it?
Is it a large one?
Yeah. What? Don't move it? Fuck. I'll shake it if I want to shake it. My drag all loose.
What is it?
Hey! What the hell? Yeah, I think he's gone.
I don't see it. I was the shirt.
Oh, so green. Dang. Shake your head. You shake it as much as you can, mate.
What the hell is
What do I say? Damn good, that's why. Well, don't need to shake your head next time. Don't be a dumb fish. God damn. Poor little guy. Dang. Stay down, stay down, stay down. And don't die. Pretty. There ain't no fish here. Shoot, yeah, take that all day. Texas riggers on point. Dang, pretty. Otro blood, more blood. Better hurry up and get in there before you die. Yeah, make me feel bad. Come on, come on. They're all behind that tree, dude. That's so crazy.
That's like they hit the lawn.
It's like... Hello? Good day. We're fishing and the Packers are losing. Beautiful Sunday. Oh. Come on. Texas riggers. How am I gonna do this? Ah. Come on, just push it up. There you go. Boom, and I didn't lose it. Cause I got the bands on. Keep it tight in, keep it tight, keep it tight, keep it tight. Oh, it's right there. He's still there. I see he's stuck. I know. There's the end.
Get untangled.
Where's it at? Oh.
About 2 pounds.
About a pound and a half. Dang ye.
Doubled up.
That did double up.